my home.
Picking up something really special today. So we just parked right there. And I'm going to go get some groceries. Bride's in my waiting because it's not a proper parking spot. So I got a shower after a couple days and it feels amazing. We've been freedom camping / boondocking for a couple nights, and last night we splurged on a site with a shower. And we're gonna try to dump for the first time. Dumping for the first time.
Welcome to my home.
So we've been in this rig for the last 3 nights. Tonight is our last night. We did a relocation, which means we're helping this company deliver this from Auckland to Christchurch. But we've had a great time. It's more fun than work.
This is bigger than we thought it would be. It's intimidating to drive.
Oh, we thought we'd do a tour because it sounded like fun. Okay, so that is the main cab area. And this is the fuel. It takes diesel. And then these are the steps to get in. It goes back up when you're not using it. This is... I don't know what that is. That is extra USB and outlet stuff. And then here's the power. We got hooked up last night. This is the garage. It's locked, but we have hoses in there. It's huge. Like, look how big this is. And it is self-contained. This is the other side of that garage. This is the cassette. We need to dump that. Plug in. Oh, fresh water. Plug it in there to fill it up. And the wastewater is down there. And then, I don't remember what this is. And this is the gas. So, this is the bed. This can be a semicircle dinette type thing.
There's a
and
table
then windows.
underneath all this stuff in the middle.
Yeah.
With the cushions on top of it.
And then a ton of storage up there. Curtains that, I don't know, doesn't provide a lot of privacy, but we don't really need privacy when that's our backyard. And then we have a TV that we haven't really used. And these outlets only work when you're plugged in. So when we got plugged in last night, we had to use the tea kettle and the toaster and everything. Same for that microwave.
Which we found out we eat better when we don't have the main power, because we have to use the propane and actually cook meals instead of making up ramen with water from the kettle.
And then this is the breaker unit and a bunch of storage. This is the gas cooktop and the 3 burners. And then a ton of storage with kitchen stuff right here. So this is silverware and basic utensils. And then this is an oven which we did not use. And then another door there. Sink. More storage. We pretty much use that to store food. Trash can. And this is pretty much where we've ate. This thing turns into a bed as well. And then that turns into a dinette and a bed. But we've kind of left the bed made since it's only 2 of us. And then there's another bed up here. So this thing sleeps 6 people. And then there's more storage over here. And then the cab, which Brian can give you a tour later. Microwave, which only works when you're hooked up. And then freezer. We didn't really get anything, so yeah. And then our fridge. We ate up a lot of the food we had, like, you know, the fresh food, Right now we just have a banana left and mushrooms, which I cook that here. And then this is the bathroom. This is a cassette toilet. You pretty much put chemical in it, switch the lever to open, and then you dump it later. There's a little sink here and a handheld shower. Yeah, and a screen. We didn't really shower in here, but yeah. So
I don't think we have any service here.
it's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's not surprising.
that view.
We have the sea over there and then a bunch of mountains on the other side. It's a really cool spot, but I don't think we have any cell towers nearby.
Tonight is our last night here, so I thought we'd actually make up the bed / the other way around. Make up the seat. So, huge table here with a little sectional type couch, chair, and here's all the bedding we use. Ready to go?
Maybe.
We're on the way to return this thing, and here's a little quick tour of the
Tour of the cab.
cab area. So here are the AC control stuff. Backup camera right there. The gear, which does manual and automatic, and then the handbrakes on the other side, which is pretty interesting.
It gear's a little different than I've used before. Like this thing here, you've got neutral, reverse, and then automatic down here. So there's no parking gear. You just have to put it in neutral and put your handbrake on.
Alright, time to return this, so we're getting her emptied out.